one-on-one with Jameer. I'm here with Mason. Jameer, what section of the robotics team do you currently work on?
I currently work on the mechanical side.
I work on the electrical team.
So what I take care of is anything physical, anything mechanical, putting the robot together, making parts that are necessary to put the robot together, any sort of component we need to get the robot working.
We help wire the robot and, well, we help wire the robot. That's about it.
What part of mechanical do you most enjoy?
Machining. So machining is basically using the lathes, using the drill presses, the mills, making intricate parts, stuff like that, making detailed, more specific things that we need.
Do you think that there's any one group that's more important than all the rest?
In my opinion, no. All the groups should be treated equally. But the main three are programming, mechanical, and electrical.
Programming, eh? What's that?
Programming is when you write down lines of code, JavaScript, or LabVIEW, or just Java, C++, programming languages. And they make the robot move and create functions like rotating the wheels, using sensors, I don't know, moving a piston, like a pneumatic cylinder.
What do you think of the team this year? You think we got a pretty good chance?
I think we're going to do a lot better than what we did last year. I think we have a really strong goal set in mind, and we're heading to it pretty well, actually. We're a little bit behind in some areas, but we'll catch up.
What do you think of the game this year?
So I think the game is pretty challenging.
I think it's very interesting. There's a lot of opportunities.
What do you think is the most innovative aspect of this game compared to just regular competition?
I like the theme. This one has a visual theme, so it's pretty nice. And I also like the customization of the field elements.
Definitely the defenses. That's something that's I never really thought of as a possibility, really. They're definitely new, definitely different, and it's going to be a challenge. But we'll overcome it.
This year, there's a radically new part of the game. There is an audience selection, all right, of one of the defenses. How does that play into this year? How different does that make the game and what everyone does?
That makes it a lot different because before there really wasn't much the audience could do. There was just like they kind of just sat there and watched. This year they can actually be a part of what is going on in the game, what's actually happening, and stuff like that. And it's pretty interesting. I have to say, I don't really mind it. I mean, unless they kind of give us a really hard defense, I don't really mind. But I think it's actually pretty useful to get them involved because being in competitions where you're sitting on the sidelines and not really doing anything, you don't really feel like you lose interest.
There's also another new thing, though, which is the strategic selection of defenses by the Alliance. How do you think that's going to play comparatively with how the audience participation is?
That's going to come into play a lot when you start getting to like the semifinals and finals of each competition, because the alliances are going to start really find out what, by that time, each team will know what teams are good at what defenses, so they'll really figure out, all right, these guys can help me with this one, then these guys can help me with that one, and we can do this one. Or they can just do all of them, and there'll be a really strong alliance, so it's fairly important to really check and see who can do what and make sure you kind of strategize around it.
Do you think you're going to dress up?
They still
Maybe.
tour.
Yeah.
But
As long as it doesn't get in the way
I
of
don't know what else you can do.
Right. There's always a balance between fun and what's serious. All right. Well, thank you. All right. I'll let you get back to work, and I wish you guys good luck. Thank you very much,
Unless
Mason.
you were to square up.
And I look forward to seeing you at competition.
Yo.